Okay, there you go guys. In this video, we are going to make a basic t-shirt, quick and easy in Close City. To do so, first I use this polygon tool, click on it to select, then click one right here to start and click over here. And we want the shoulder right here, right above the shoulder point right there. And then I'm going to click one right here and then simply holding down shift and then click one right here, and then once again holding down shift, click right here and then come over here. Next, I'm going to adjust the side seam a little bit. Simply use this edit sewing tool, click on it and then click on this line right here and then bring it out just like that. We want this a little bit loose fitted kind of shirt, okay? Okay, now it looks pretty good. Next, I will use the edit curvature tool, click on it and then click right here and then drag it in. Now I'm going to copy this pattern here and use it for the back side. Simply use the transform pattern tool, click on it to select, then click on that pattern, and I'm going to use command or control plus letter C, command or control plus letter V, and then click one to place the pattern. So we are going to use this for the back pattern, and this is going to be the front pattern. So the front pattern here, I'm going to adjust a couple of things here. I will zoom in and use this edit pattern tool, click on it to select, then right click. I want to offset pattern outline and we want to restrict 1 centimeter, which is perfect. I'm going to click on OK. Next, I will zoom in a little bit further and click one right there, press on letter D and then drag it down, right click. I will type in here 0.5 and then click on OK. So after that, I'm going to unfold both the pattern here. Simply click one right there and then press on shift, click right here, and then right click. I'm going to select unfold symmetric editing with sewing, and now both pattern are unfold. After that, I will use this tool here, smooth curve tool. We want to change this next line here to curve. Click on it and then drag it up all the way, just like that. And then the front, we want to drop the front next a little bit here. Simply switch the tool back to edit pattern tool, click one and then press on shift and then drag it down, okay? How about like that? After that, we want to curve this neck a little bit. Use this edit curvature tool, okay? Click on it and then drag it in, just like that. Next, we are going to create the sleeve for this. But before we're going to do that, I want to adjust the front armhole a little bit here. Simply use the edit curvature tool, click on it, and then I'm going to click on that and then bring it further, okay? Next, we want to create the sleeve. Before we're going to do that, we want to measure this armhole. We will use this edit pattern tool here, click on it and then click one right there, press on shift and then click one right here. So if I look at over here under the property editor, right now is 49.88. We can assume that it is 50. So divide by 2 is 25. And I'm going to subtract 4 centimeters. Right now, going to be 21. I will use the rectangle tool here, click on it to select, click one on the page, and then I'm going to type in 21 here for the width, and then the height. I'm going to type in 56. I will click on OK. After that, let's create 2 internal lines here. I will switch the tool back to edit pattern tool, click on it to select, then click one right here, right click, and offset as internal line. And I will change that to 12, and then click on OK. Do the same right here, and then this time I will change that to 14 and then click on OK. After that, I will lock all the pattern outline here, right click and then select lock all pattern outline. Now I'm going to convert these 2 lines here to baseline, and we want to lock them as well. Next, I'm going to unlock the pattern outlines, and then we are going to draw the sleeve here. Use this internal polygon slash line tool, click one right here to start and then click one right here and then click right here to end, and then press on return or enter on the keyboard to confirm. After that, I will use this edit curvature tool here to create a curve, and we need to adjust it a little bit. Simply click and then drag it in, and then I'm going to drag this up a little. So if I look at the sleeve right here, 25.2, and let's double check here. Right now it is 48, so 50, that is perfect. This is a little bit easier, is perfect for the sleeve. Next, we want to cut this. Use this transform pattern tool, click one on that and then right click, and I'm going to cut. After that, we want to unfold the sleeve. Switch the tool back to edit pattern tool, click on it to select, then click right here, right click, then I'm going to select unfold. So after that, we want to arrange the pattern a little bit. Simply click over here, I'm going to click the sleeve down here, and we don't need this pattern piece right here. I'm going to delete it and let's bring them all down here. Next, I want to come over here and then select this reset all 2D pattern, and then we want to come over here and then click on the show arrangement point to show arrangement point, and we want to place the front pattern first. Click on it and then press on number 8. Now we do the back pattern here. Let's rotate over here a little bit, and then we want to place the sleeve. Click on the sleeve and then click one right there to place the sleeve. Now press on number 2 to see the front view of the avatar. Next, I'm going to make a copy of the sleeve. Simply right click and then select symmetric pattern with sewing. Then click one right here to place that sleeve. After that, I will come over here and then use this auto sewing function. Click on it, and then we want garment tab to be top, front tab close, and color seam auto. I'm going to click on OK here. So after that, I will come over here to this simulation icon, click on it to simulate. So let me click once again to stop the simulation. Next, let's strengthen the pattern here. I'm going to my key, select all the pattern, and then select strengthen. First of all, let's adjust the shirt up a little and then simulate again, and I'm going to unstrengthen this, and then right there, let's change the fabric a little. Go to fabric folder and select one of these fabric. Let's select knit maybe, and click drag and drop to the fabric right there. Now I'm going to simulate once again how the pattern take effects, and simulate again here. Let's also change the color of the pattern a little bit too. Let maybe a little creamy, and then click on close and apply. Let's simply turn off this baseline and then turn on the high quality render to see what the tops look here. And there it is, guys. We just created this perfect basic shirt in CLO 3D, quick and easy. Hey, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and remember to give it a thumbs up and follow me on Encoded Fashion for more awesome tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, guys.